Even though the fall season is spooky time, your neighbors shouldn't be haunted by your decrepit old garage door or exterior gate. Hey, it's Dwight with Mesa Garage Doors, and trust me, it's not just the trick-or-treaters that notice you need a new garage door. Good news is that Mesa makes it incredibly easy to upgrade the look of your home with huge discounts and easy financing on all your exterior gates, entry doors, and garage doors. Whether you want a completely custom wood, modern glass, or affordable low-maintenance steel, Mesa's giving you $500 off any new garage door. That's our biggest discount ever. Plus, with our easy financing, you can get a garage door for as little as $11 a month or zero interest and zero payments for 12 months. But wait, I'm not done. I'll even include our exclusive Quiet Glide system, giving you the quietest garage door on the block. A $199 value, now absolutely free. But these spooky savings are only for a limited time. Don't wait, call now.